I want to show you guys something. I want to show you the kind of things that the Tuolumne County Court allows to occur. And I want to show you the proof of lies from Juley Salkeld and Olivia Phillips. So I'm going to show you this declaration. Okay, so this is a declaration. Sorry for the print. It's kind of, I know what it says, but it's, I was running out of ink on my printer. It says on December 3rd, this is a declaration from Olivia. On December 3rd, Carter came home from a visit from petitioner's home. When Carter returned, I noticed his pupils were completely dilated, even to the brightest light. Carter's eyes were almost completely black. See attachment B. I gave Carter an at-home drug test, and the results were a clear positive for amphetamines as well as benzodiazepine. See attachment C. I presented the emergency room physician with the at-home drug test, and they immediately sent Carter in for further testing and made a report to Child Protective Services. The drug test as well as the report were included in Carter's medical file at Adventist Health Sonora. The emergency room physician stated that Carter may have overdosed on an over-the-counter cold medicine, would not necessarily show up on drug tests. To this day, I still do not know what Carter was given in petitioner's care. This statement was the reason why I lost custody. That's the last time I've seen my son. So I went down to the hospital and I got that medical report for December 3rd that she claims. And here it is. I will show you. Hold on. Let me straighten it out here. Okay. I might have to print a better one because this one is really bad. Okay. So here is December 3rd, right? Here's the medical report. It says right here, reasons for visit. It says patient was at father's house this weekend when mother picked him up at 1800 tonight. He seemed very hyper and agitated. Per mother, she did an at-home drug test, tested positive for meth and benzos. Patient acting WNL. Now, I sent this report to a nurse. I'm not going to say which nurse because I don't want them involved. WNL means within normal limits. That means he was normal when he came in. All right. So this is the medical report. Look, this is from Sonora Adventist. Okay. So this shows his history of, sicknesses he's had. Let's see. This is also December 3rd, right? Shows his allergies. Okay, here's the lab results. They did labs on him. Here's amphetamines. What does that say? Here's benzodiazepine. What does that say? That's benzos and amphetamines. That's what she said he tested positive for. But let's go a little bit further, okay? Let's look at some of the other things he tested. Okay, they all say negative, right? Okay, these two abnormals, protein, ketones. I have a history of diabetes in my family. She's malnourishing him. She's giving him too much sugar, not enough protein, right? Yeah, everything looked normal, right? Negative, everything's negative. No drugs? No drugs. So they knew about this on December 3rd. They went in on February 2nd, presented the same at-home drug test, and knowing that he tested negative, to take full custody away. That's felony fraud. That's perjury and felony fraud, right? I presented this. This is a 56-page response that I presented to the judge for taking my son, for kidnapping my son away, and she recused herself. This is the kind of shit that the judges in Tuolumne County allow. They allow lies and perjury and fraud. And Kevin Siebert is at the helm of this. He is the reason why kids are being abused in Tuolumne County. He is the reason why 81% of the males in Tuolumne County are committing suicide, because their children are being taken away for no reason. Juley Salkeld is a disgusting piece of shit. As you can tell, she presented this, right? So check this out. Here's medical decision. Initial vitals were clinically unremarkable and remained stable while in emergency department. Urine and urine drug tests in the emergency department tonight is reassuring that all negative results for testable drugs of abuse. Suspect likely false positive results on outpatient home test. So they knew this ahead of time, 2 months ahead of time. They used the same test to lie in court, commit felony perjury, and kidnap my child. Especially as benzos should not cause any sort of agitation or hyperactivity, right? Because benzos is Xanax. Xanax would have knocked him out on his ass, right? Patient with normal exam in emergency department, discussed emergency department results and treatment plan, all questions answered. So this is the medical report, right? Here's a picture of the at-home drug test. Looks like crap. right? That she presented in court, lying. This is information. It came out bad. I'm going to reprint this. This information is the fact that his pupils were dilated. Well, we exchange at nighttime. Everybody's eyes dilate at night because you're an idiot. You're an idiot. You're a fucking idiot.